Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie here, coming to you from the Mooreland House, but it's the view we usually see from the Mooreland House.
Yeah.
And we're happy to announce that we're getting a Dollar General. If you look off to over Carrie's shoulder, they're putting a Dollar General in at that corner, so we won't have to go very far for our snacks from now on.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll be wonderful.
Yeah.
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 Who are we and what do we do? We're Frank and Carrie. We're a DIY couple.
Mm-hmm.
We don't hire contractors because we found out some of the stuff and found out how much fun it is to hire contractors.
Not fun.
We bought an old abandoned mansion.
We did.
At a foreclosure auction.
And she was in pretty bad shape.
How do you know?
Well,
oh, you got pictures to prove it? I
have pictures to prove it.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're fixing it up, though.
Oh, she's doing much better now.
Taking down all kinds of stones, all kinds of bricks, all kinds of everything.
Yeah.
I think that's what we do today in our video.
Yeah. We are finishing up the stone or the brick wall that we started last week. So, and Frank does a phenomenal job on it.
Oh, thank you, Gary.
You're welcome.
Do I explain hotline mortar and trowels and hands and all that stuff?
We do.
Okay, good.
We do a little bit, but
good, because people have questions.
Yeah, because we like hotline.
I don't remember. It's been about a month and a half since we did it.
Yeah. So. Yeah, and we talk about how it's the hotline mortar that allows the water to escape the bricks.
Oh yeah, so it doesn't turn dark.
Right. So that's how and Frank talks a little bit about that and cement mortar. So
yay,
it's pretty interesting.
Cement mortar. No yay cement mortar.
No yay cement mortar.
All right.
All right. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. We are again back at it. Frank is doing his thing up there on the wall, cleaning him bricks and making him some hotline mortar. How's it going this morning, baby?
Anytime. Trying to match what they did before. Trying to get a straight wall out of a non-straight wall.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out where to stop at. All that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
My part will be straight.
Your part?
But I'm using old clay bricks. So
we're using her bricks, just putting them back with some new mortar. Here's an inside look at that wall that Frank is working on, that corner. That was in the bathroom. And of course we know that this was the worst area of the house. We've talked about that before. But there's several courses of bricks and he's working on the outside course before we work on fixing these. Here's a look at this side over here.
cleaning the algae off.
Yeah, there's a lot of algae in this corner. Well, actually there's a lot of algae in this whole area because of the box gutters, but because we did the gutter bypass there as a proof of concept, it's looking a lot better. Kitten, how are we doing on the brickwork? Are we doing okay on the brickwork, kitty cat? You checking it all out? Silly kitty.
Raining.
It is raining a little bit. How goes it?
As well as can be expected. Trying to fix a wall that's not exactly right. But it won't look any worse after 130 years.
True.
It'll look a lot better actually because it won't be falling down.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It doesn't help that you're working around it in a leaky box gutter.
Ah! It's not the first time I've worked in the rain, baby.
True.
It is what it is.
It is. You're almost to a spot where you have to lift up Jeannie. Wow, that's progress, Bobby.
Depends on what you, yeah, I guess you could call it progress.
Because you're going up.
Yeah!
Making some progress on the bricks. Making a mess, but making some progress. How's it going up there?
Just trying to
Fill in the voids.
hold up these ones while I fix these ones.
Yeah.
So I don't collapse the wall.
Good idea.
Just an idea.
That's a good idea.
Came up with it myself.
Yeah?
Yep.
We're using some bricks from other places.
Yeah, other places.
Well, places that aren't getting brick back.
Places. Out of mortar.
Out of mortar. It doesn't take long to use a batch of mortar with
Not
bricks. Not in this.
Not when I'm just filling holes.
Yeah. It's looking really good, Frank.
It'll look better when I'm done.
Yeah.
After I get some of this mortar off.
Yeah, but you've made a lot of progress.
Doesn't feel like it.
I know. But it looks really good. Hi, Frank.
Hey, Carrie Lou. Ding.
Oh, I'm looking at your wall.
Yep. It is what it is. I'm a pilot.
I think it looks great. Like we've said before, you're just redoing the outside wall and we'll do the inside wall when we're on the inside.
Actually, look, I can't get to these bricks, so I'm just
Shoring them up as you go then?
Yep.
Very good. We'll have to do the inner course.
This is the, I mean, it's just it's just rubble in the middle. I mean, they just haphazardly put mortar and stuff and half bricks and tie-in bricks and stuff. So
Okay.
that's what I'm going to be doing.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
I'm working with my hands.
you are,
'cause
and look,
I'm not a mason.
look at that pretty hot lime mortar.
It does a good job mixing with that new mixer.
I like that new mixer. Sure does make it easier. I think I mix it better. I still like to touch it.
Machines can do everything better.
Well, I still like to touch it to make sure it's the right consistency. But, and sometimes I have to break up the clumps a little bit because I don't like clumps of lime in it. But for the most part, it does pretty good.
Yay.
That's the consistency he likes.
Perfect, Carrie Lee.
Thanks, Bobby. So Frank's got a system up here,
Ish.
but again, we get the bricks wet so it doesn't absorb the moisture out of the mortar so fast. Because they dry out pretty quick.
And I was cleaning every single one of them, but you know what? I'll have to clean it later. I'll get the algae off later because I don't have that kind of time right now.
Well, a lot of that algae will die.
Yeah.
I mean, if they get any sun at all, that algae's going to die.
It'll die.
So, granted, this is a north-facing wall, but it will get morning sunlight. And of course, we're reusing brick, and this stuff is a little fragile sometimes too.
How do you know that?
Because when I was cleaning them, I broke a few.
Maybe.
Chipped a few. Only broke one in half, broke a corner off one, and
my goodness,
chipped a few. But it is
hard
what it
on
is. I was being gentle too.
Doesn't sound like it.
I know. That board is, we added some extra support there for the window lintel. So it's still set on that side right there, but you know, it never hurts to have extra. We don't mind extra.
What's that?
Support for that lintel.
Oh. No, it's not really set on anything.
No, over on the other side is where I'm saying.
Well, yeah, we got one side on.
Yeah, that's what I mean. This side doesn't have any support, so.
That's what those are for.
Yep.
I'm trying to get it done before it falls. What's the chances, right?
Yeah, exactly. We made some great progress today. Frank got at least 10 courses of brick on. So making some good progress, and we'll continue tomorrow. Well, how goes it up there?
I don't think you can hear me from there.
Yeah, I can.
I got 2 rows up.
Awesome.
That's all.
I'll take.
That far to go.
Well,
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only 16 more to go.
16. You got 10 yesterday. Over 10 yesterday. So, okay.
And I got a grinder today, so it's making it easier.
Awesome.
Instead of breaking the bricks, I'm grinding.
I'll take it. Frank is getting ready to come back up, but he has made some great progress up here. And he's getting closer. He only has that much left. It's looking fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Supervisor found a very cool shady spot to contemplate. Kitten. Well, I was gone most of yesterday, and Frank was busy up here. He got so much done yesterday. He's lacking 3 rows. Oh, that just looks so good. So nice. He sure does do a good job. Sure beats. Hi, baby.
Hi, sweetheart.
How's it going?
I'm getting close to the top.
That is so awesome.
When I started down there, it seemed like it was going to be a long way to go. But a week later, just like that, a week later, and I'm 1 course away.
That's awesome. Look at that. Looks really nice.
This wall's gonna be solid again.
Yeah, everything seems to have a reddish tint up here.
Yeah. Grinding on the brick, baby.
I know. All right, very good.
Doesn't look like fun.
Well, yeah, in a way it does, because it is a fabulous permanent fix. And it makes the outside of the house look so much better than having a corner of bricks getting ready to fall or have already fallen. So
it's always hard getting these last couple of bricks in with stuff over it.
yeah. So, and Frank was able to take those clamps off because it's now sitting on solid brick.
Yay, brick.
That's awesome. Then it's last side, huh?
Getting close to the top.
You got
Got
this,
about 15 bricks to go.
something like that.
9, 12.
That's cool.
And I know people, there's ways to butter the end of the brick and put them in, but this is just more fun for me. I just find this more enjoyable. I know people that do this are frustrated with me doing it this way,
But you're a
but
mason.
I enjoy it.
But you're not a mason, you're a pilot.
That is true. So if I had to do this for a living by the hour, I'm sure I would do it different. Or probably not by the hour. Because this is the way to do it if you're getting paid by the hour.
Yeah, that's true. If you're getting paid by the job.
If you're getting paid by the job, you need to go a little bit quicker than this.
Yeah.
But I'm not getting paid. Gotta keep wetting it.
You can see how fast that water just is absorbed into those bricks. I mean, he sprays it and it's just gone.
That's why you can't
do it
have
again.
cement mortar, because that water can't come back out.
Yeah. Wow.
But with the lime mortar, the lime sucks it right back out.
Yeah, it does.
At least that's what science says.
Yeah. We watched several videos on the chemical with the reaction with the lime and the water, and but when that water gets trapped,
And does that.
yeah,
And that.
yeah, the whole face starts falling off. We'll have to do something about those.
That's a little on the back burner.
Yeah. Well, Frank, it's looking great.
Come back after it's set up a little bit and knock off the high spots, and it'll look like that. And then come back later and repoint a lot of it.
It looks really nice.
Did you find a box, Meanie? Did you find a box? Everybody seems to have boxes. Yeah, yours is a polka dot box. Is that a special box? Is that your special box? Silly girl.